It's time to do some gardening. Yes, my hands are finally dirty. I brought in the containers that I wanted to plant in. There's 2 of them. They've been outdoors. They were out in the garden area for a while, and then they were on the table. So there were a couple leaves on there, and I just buried those in the middle. Down on the bottom here, I'm going to plant some garlic. And I know it's a bit untraditional to plant some garlic indoors, but that will give me some fresh garlic tasting, even though they won't get big like a regular garlic that you would plant outdoors. I will have some garlic during the winter, presuming that these come up and do what they're supposed to do. So I'm planting several cloves in each of the 3 planting areas here. Feels good to get my fingers in the dirt. It's been a while. And did I put new dirt in here? No, I used old dirt. It was potting soil type dirt, so it's not just regular garden dirt. And I don't remember what I originally had planted in here, but whatever it was either didn't come up, or I didn't take good care of it, or didn't get watered or something. Who knows? Anyway, I'm not planting these so much to get garlic cloves as I am to get garlic, just some fresh garlic. For cooking and for eating, because garlic is so good for you. You could hear the cat running back and forth. Oh, I don't know. I could hear it. I don't know if you could or not. Okay, so the garlic is done and planted. So I'm going to take this, and over where I had my lettuce, this is going to go on the bottom so that they can grow up. I think what you can't see is me moving things around there. So that will go over. And I'll show it to you in a minute. There. That's where it's going to reside. Okay, the next layer, these had lettuce growing in, and this was kind of not in an area that it didn't get enough water is what happened, nor enough light. So I'll put that on top of, yes, right there we go, on top of the garlics. Okay, and then the lettuce. And I'm showing you pea seeds. I'm going to plant peas on the top. So I took a clump of that out of the middle of this one and put it down here, because that one had died right there. There was an empty spot. So I left that. So the middle of this was empty. And then I put the peas on top so that they can trail down. The garlics are on the bottom. And judging from comparing the height with the one next to it, I can do one more layer. I'm not going to do that today, but I will at some point do another layer. I might even do 2 layers, 2 here and one more over here to plant my indoor garden. And you heard me a minute ago talk to my sweetie pie. So in order to keep the cats out of it, we just pile a bunch of stuff in front of it. I have a lot of empty bottles and stuff here that can just go in front to discourage the cats from getting in there and doing any digging around. She's in the back right now. Hey, sweetie pie, get out of there. Get out of there. Out of there. Out of there. Good girl. Okay. We'll put that right there to discourage her. Let's see if we've got another one here that can be used to discourage going back there. Yep, I've got one more. Right here. A little bit of discouragement. I know that looks kind of weird, but seems to work. Doesn't it, sweetie pie? This is Button. She just walked past me and I didn't get the camera turned on quite fast enough to watch her walking past me. She's going in. She doesn't seem to bother the plants. And sweetie pie is over there in her favorite spot, looking out the window at the world turning around. It's raining outside once again. I thought this morning it looked like maybe it was going to be a sunny day, but nope. Well, that was my little gardening this morning. Felt really good. I already said this, but felt really good to get my fingers in the dirt. And I know that I will have some greens to eat during the winter. These things are coming up nicely, and in a regular video, I will show you how my peas and my garlics that I just planted come along. Hopefully they germinate and do what I have in my mind that they're supposed to do. You never know when you plant things. Sometimes they do what they're supposed to do, and sometimes they don't. That's gardening. Well, to all my Shedwars people, this was my last video. I will have videos more, lots more, but they won't be Shedwars videos until next spring when our Shedwars starts back up, and hopefully I do Shedwars again next year. I hope you enjoyed your gardening. I know I did, and it was fun deciding what videos were going to be Shedwars and which ones were just regular videos. I don't know if I always made the right choices, but it was fun doing it. Thank you, John from Will It Grow, because yes, indeed, it grew. Not as good as I might have liked, but it grew, and I had fun doing it. And I hope you all learned something from watching me do my gardening, because that's the whole point of Shedwars, is having other people watch and see how we do our gardening and giving you multitudes of ideas on how to do your gardening. So, Shedwars friends, I will see you next, March? Is that when it starts back up? Be sure and keep watching my videos, though. I've gotten a few subscribers from being in Shedwars, and I appreciate that a whole bunch. I appreciate all of you who watch my videos. So be sure and share my videos with others. And let's enjoy some winter gardening. Until I see you on my next video, may the good Lord richly bless you.